Small businesses are often left to choose apps off the shelf that either contain several features that are not relevant to their business or do not contain the essential features that you need to run your business. At JML Services Digital Solutions, we can tailor apps to suit your business where you have total control of the content and the data produced. Whether it will be maintaining inventory, registering hours and kilometers, scheduling rosters, making purchases, recording meeting notes, editing photos, taking orders from customers, shopping carts, or anything else you need, we can offer a completely bespoke app to make your business more efficient and accountable. Apps can be made for the desktop, tablet, or mobile phone, depending on your specifications. Mobile apps can be very useful out on the road, job site, or whenever you are away from the office. Information is readily available at your fingertips, and you can effortlessly add new information to the system. Taking advantage of the useful features within the app design, it will soon be apparent that your administration will become less of a burden, and automation allows for your customers, clients, or employees to send real-time data back to the office and to the database. JML Services Digital Solutions uses Power Apps for all the designing of personal apps, which allows for easy-to-use apps based on the input and output data you require. Apps built with Power Apps provide rich business logic and workflow capabilities to transform your manual business activities into digital automated processes. Using the Power Automate app along with Power Apps gives a truly modern approach to all your administrative issues. On the job, you can use the app and have all your data saved to your database, ready for you to analyze or archive back in the office. Manage all of your content in one place with Microsoft SharePoint Online. This platform enables seamless transfer of your data from your office to your phone, tablet, or laptop, and vice versa, with a simple software package. You can see all of your data in real time, and you can even add new data directly from SharePoint without the app. This allows for editing data after entry, grouping data, and analyzing data through the functions of the lists and other options. Data can be exported to Excel and CSV files to integrate with other apps and software. This process can also be scheduled and carried out using Power Automate to further streamline your administration. We also design or update your website to ensure that the tools you have to promote your business are the most modern and functional, creating unique impressions for exciting new and existing customers or clients. With ease of access and creative design, we can keep your website up to date and modern. You can add contact and feedback forms, appointment scheduling, quote requests, calendars, ordering and payments, and so much more. Websites and apps can be multilingual depending on your customer, client, or employee needs. All translations are verified for accuracy before publication. Switches, toggles, or links make sure there is a smooth transition between the different language websites. Your website can be designed in your own server environment or using WordPress, which is the most popular content management system in the world, currently powering more than 60 million websites. Your style, your content, and you own your website. Do you need training material for your business, customers, clients, or employees? Using the Articulate 360 suite of tools, we can customize your training material into a modern and effective e-learning experience. Articulate 360 allows for video demonstrations, mixture of online and face-to-face training, certification, tracking, and feedback. Study material can also be generated along with traditional PowerPoint presentations, not only for training, but also for meetings, presentations, conferences, and dashboard analytics. So contact us today or visit our website for further information so we can begin crafting unique solutions for your success.